Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme C33 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the history, and as you can see, here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images and files. And in advanced, also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So basically, if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will mark everything and tap on Clear Data. For some reason it has not been cleared, but no worries, you can just tap on this X button, and as you can see, the history is empty, and thanks to this we know that we actually removed everything. So starting from the browsing history, like the websites, the list of websites, and ending on the passwords. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Realme C33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.